My condolence to the police officer that lose his life in St. Thomas. Bigsuper family, really and truly miss you. Valentine's Day, my viewers and sub. Bigsuper in the town of Morant Bay. Walking and looking what it's like on a Valentine's Day in the town of Morant Bay.
Solar light. Public service can't lock have them light upon the solar light.
Well, you know. Alright, you know what you think them? Alright. Valentine's Day in the town of Morant Bay. Yeah, we just take a walk. It's a very normal day. Not really different. Just a normal looking every day. It's just a regular normal day in the town of Morant Bay. Valentine's Day in the town of Morant Bay.
Past people, everybody know what I go on.
Yeah, real. So, yeah, no problem. So I look on your nice, beautiful products them where you have there. Yeah, they look nice. And I see all different type of price. Yeah man. You see from 4 or 5, I see 4, I see 5. Some nice product. Yeah. Yeah. And you taking order too? Yeah, for real, me like that. You have a phone number, them can call you? The flowers there? Yeah. Come walk me through the thing, let me see what I go a nice lady. No, you don't have to go up and you stand up on the side and talk with me. Yeah, you understand what I say? I don't want to go put you in a trouble. So, all that $5,000 I want to know. Explain to me, why night?
I get teddy bear,
Yeah.
wine,
Yeah.
2 wine glass, body spray,
Yeah.
lotion, you get a frame,
Yeah.
you get a rose with it.
You get a rose with it.
Yeah.
So all the flowers them out here so go now? $1,000 for one of them flowers there. And them nice teddy bear you see with a liquor put on. A different something than that? Okay, alright, no say nothing. So you guys located in the heart of Morant Bay. Hello. Right in front of Williams. Let me see you have some nice. Let me see you have some. I never know you don't read on it. I thought it was just around the road here for them read, you know. Okay, no do read too. So okay, most of them take order. So you see the people. Wow. Look beautiful, don't it? So your number them go. If somebody want to get in touch with you, or you have a phone number? 884 76 44. Alright, bless up yourself. Yeah. I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. And I like on the settings, you know?
I see all different price, nice panty.
Yeah.
Nice working suit.
Yeah.
Shorts.
So you're fully active around here.
Yeah.
Yeah man. I pass all the while and see it, but I never realized that when the thing did up like that, you know? So you feel the Valentine's, because you can go basically up to the weekend. You feel you will get a good support, good turnout. Or look, not give thanks. Alright. It's a go on. Alright, me love that. Big up on yourself here. Yeah, the name of my channel is Bigsuper Road Vlog. Yeah man, big up. And the viewers and stuff. So see we there in the heart of Morant Bay and we just look for some of the nice, beautiful things that we are sell out here in the town for the Valentines. But there the viewers and stuff and we just walk through the beer kinda not really crowded today, but a Valentine's Day. And we just look and showcase some of the beautiful things them out here, you know, where I go on. So just stick around, people. Valentine's. Whoa! Who give you that rose? Was a special person donate that rose to you? Alright, hold it up again. Hold it up again for the last time. Alright, take care. Bigsuper. So my viewers and sub, Bigsuper, just talk to the Valentines people them and me head towards my favorite restaurant. And Mr. Junior come and me ask Junior what go on. Yeah man, what me Junior? Talk to me no, cause Valentine's Day. A Valentine's Day, you're there alive. I'm want to know how the Valentine's Day look with you.
Everything up, man. Everything up. Can't better.
Can't better.
No.
You deliver food.
Yes, stew peas, pan the house, roast stew pork, chicken,
Yeah.
fried chicken, and soup, chicken soup.
Alright, and hold up the basket.
How
with
the
people.
basket is, yes.
Yes, that's
And I
delivery.
chef this attack, you know.
Alright.
Everything up, straight up, man.
Alright.
And that's how we have the shop.
You come here walk around there, you know.
Yeah, man.
And
You
look-
go in the shop now?
Alright,
I
no
don't know.
problem.
Yeah.
So me turn back with the chef. A Valentine's Day people.
Yeah, follow here.
And the place kind of have a little a dimness about it, but we have a lively top and we see that. We're the right at the cook shop.
Yeah.
We're the right at the number one cook shop in St. Thomas. Yeah, and we're there with the rest, with the
And we
top
have the
chef.
boss.
Yeah. So what go on in the day, yeah? Happy Valentine's to
Happy
everybody
Valentine's,
around there. Whether you love Valentine's or you
Are
hate
you
it.
yet it or not?
Bigsuper, big up
Yeah.
all of the Valentine's people them.
So you have the boss, Carney.
Connie,
Yeah. And you have Halisa inside the shop.
yeah.
Your name again, look, sir? I have Naren in the shop.
Yeah.
So you have all of the people and you have this nice customer.
Yeah.
Put your face in the video, man. Look at my video, man.
Maybe she
Look
don't
at my
want
video.
maybe
Watch
no,
nice,
no,
look at my video. She shy herself.
No, no,
She
maybe she shy.
Put her in the video.
She shy.
Put her
Yeah,
in
she shy,
the
she
video.
shy. She shy. Me understand. Yeah, man. But
So,
me glad for
all the
them.
nice things that we
Yeah.
have. So just come and check it out here.
Me glad for them my favorite restaurant.
Yeah.
On a day like today.
Yeah, just the Bigsuper what you want.
Alright.
Alright.
When you hear the chef say that.
Yeah, the chef said that. Just give me
I'm
one.
Bigsuper endorse the restaurant
yeah.
every
Alright,
time.
every
And
time.
the favorite restaurant is
Yeah.
Carney Country Style Cook Shop.
Exactly.
Alright, peace. Yes, to my food people. I'm enjoying lunch now. What you have to say about the restaurant? What the food is like? Carney Country Style cook shop. Well, I saw it nice, man.
Shy.
You know, say I try not eat yet?
I'm shy, man.
No, I try not eat yet. But just big up your Instagram, big up your Facebook, big up anything you want, big up. Big up your daughter, your son, big up your mother.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, give me the thumbs up.
450. Kind of shy, sir.
Alright, no problem. Are you full of so much mouth? Sure.
No one I don't think. This is the money at church.
Yeah. So wait there, at church never come to hear your talk.
Listen now, because it was when I deep face.
Oh,
Tell me to go post people out there, so listen.
You will cost them. alright.
But anyway,
Yeah.
the restaurant is a good restaurant.
Yeah.
And they're what? See? You see that? What?
So you say the restaurant is a good
The restaurant
restaurant?
is a good restaurant. They have good quality, customer service. When you come, you call, you get your food on time. When you come, there's no hustling and no rustling.
Right.
And the food tastes figuratively like when your grandmother and your great grandmother cook.
What you say? I must say that's why me come here so often. Can in time you pay?
Ask anybody in a St. Thomas countryside restaurant.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And the
tell
number one cook
the
shop.
number one cook shop in a Morant Bay St.Thomas Jamaica.
Yeah, I tell you.
How much avenue? How much avenue? How much avenue?
South Street.
South Street.
Yeah,
We just
just
say-
South Street.
we just
All right,
say
Mother
St.
Chef.
So,
Alright, Mother Chef.
when they put them soup
Yeah.
are the best.
Yeah.
Whether plain soup or pea soup with the big tail in it, me I
Yeah.
tell you, it's bad.
Yeah.
Season to the bone,
So when
right
I-
through.
Let me ask you something. How the Valentines that treat you?
Well,
Then
you
look-
have to love on yourself and know say,
Yeah.
you take care of yourself and take care of each other. Love first and then
Big up yourself still.
Big up
Yeah?
yourself, yeah.
And have yourself a great day still.
Same to you too.
Alright, Bigsuper.
Yeah.
So my viewers and sub, see there? Carney Country Style Cook Shop. Take care of yourself. Peace.